me see a snow angel. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah.
Mom, look at my snow angel.
Oh, wow. Cool.
Well, look at my body.
Whew.
Mom, close that door.
Y'all don't want to build a snowman? Ooh. Y'all don't want to build a snowman, Zelsie? Huh? Oh my gosh. This was too cold. Huh? Did Zane get you, Austin? Did Zane get you? Zariah! I heard the snowman didn't make it. Zelsie, you just got put a little bit more. What do you mean no?
What is wrong with you?
You got all this snow. And you ain't gonna finish the snowman? No, hell no. Too cold, y'all. Too cold for snowman. We tried. Zariah says too cold for snowman. I agree. Yeah. Zariah, you put on your air mittens and your gloves and go finish the snowman, girl. He want to be alive. Zariah, the snowman wants to be alive. Why you ain't finished the snowman, Zelsie? Why? Because why? It's too cold.